Good morning, students of class 3. It's your science class. Today we will continue our chapter, that is housing and clothing. In previous video we have learned about house and what is our house made of. Now today we will learn about a good house and how can we keep our house neat and clean. So first we will learn about a good house. A good house should also have following features. A good house should be well lit, airy or ventilated, neat and clean, wire netted door and windows, proper drainage system and green plants around the house. So these features make our house a good house. So first, a well lit house. A good house should have sufficient number of windows and doors so that sunlight reaches inside the house. And as you know, sunlight keeps the house dry and free from germs. Sunlight is a natural disinfectant. Second, an airy house. A house should have ample circulation of fresh air through windows and ventilators. Now, what is ventilator? Ventilator is a device that circulates fresh air and removes dirty air. So, in this picture, you can see here fresh air are entering through the windows and open spaces and dirty airs come out through the ventilator or the windows. So, uh, in our house, there must be sufficient number of windows and ventilators. A house should also have open spaces such as verandas, courtyards, and balconies where we can get plenty of fresh air and sunlight, and both things are very important for our healthy life. Now, the kitchen should have an exhaust to let the smoke out. There must be exhaust in our kitchen so smoke come out from our kitchen. A neat and clean house. Our house must be neat and clean so it looks good and germs do not grow inside our house. So first, a neat and clean house. A house can have separate places for sleeping. For sleeping there must be bedroom, washing clothes, washroom, cooking food, kitchen, eating food, dining space, storing things, storing room, studying, study room, and meeting people, guest room. So these rooms should be separate, then our house can be organized and neat. The house should also have double doors, that is a wooden door and a door with wire netting. Wire netted through the wire netted doors, the flies and the mosquitoes cannot enter inside our house. So in our house there must be a wire netted door or windows. There should be a proper drainage system. What do you mean by drainage? Drainage is a process of removal of dirty water from our house. So there must be proper drainage system to carry away dirty water from our house. The drains should be covered properly And in this way we can keep our surrounding clean. And in our surrounding there must be green plants, because green plants give us fresh air. Now, how can we keep our house neat and clean? We can keep our house neat and clean by following these activities. Okay, first of all, we should throw garbage in covered dustbin. Okay, covered dustbin, so flies do not go on the garbage and spread diseases. Not let water to collect around the house, because uh, on the collected water mosquitoes breed. Okay, mosquitoes breed and mosquitoes cause diseases as like malaria and dengue. So we should not allow to collect water around the house. And use germ or insect cleaner while mopping the floor. We Every day we should swept and mopped our floor of our house. And we should use insect cleaner or germ cleaner. Insect cleaner or germ cleaner means Lysol and phenyl. These are the insect cleaner. So while mopping the house, these should be used. And uh, we also dusting our house on a regular basis. And we should also clean our bathrooms and toilets regularly. In this way we can keep our house germ free and healthy. And after using things, keep them at proper place, such as toys, books, clothes, shoes and bag. They all should be kept at proper place. Then our house can be looked organized. And we will not find it difficult to locate things the next time we need them. So students, today what we have learned? We have learned about a good house, and we have also learned how can we keep our house neat and clean. So you have to learn following hard words. These are ventilators, drainage, breathe, stagnant and mopped. That's all for today. Okay, thank you.